Hello students, welcome to your social science class. And just in our previous class we have started history, your first chapter that is about you have to learn the rise of nationalism in Europe. Fine. That day I have explained to you few keywords that is too much important for you. Next one, I also told you one picture, one painting given beginning of the chapter. Why I am telling again and again about the paintings? Because now board gave so many picture represented question based question there that you have to write. Now that day also I told you main points that you have to focus, and I also explained to you about that picture that mainly painted by the Frederick, and how he explained, how Frederick Soroi explained how he represented by 4 pictures that what kind of picture will be there if all countries will be converted into democratic and republican state. Fine. Now that day also you have learned about the consequences or result of the French Revolution. I hope you understood that. Now today we are going to start the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. Fine. And most of you aware about the in your previous class when you was in class 9 already you have learned that first one, French Revolution, you know, it was happened in the year 1789 that led to the transfer of sovereignty from monarchy to a body of citizen. That time what happened? Previously all power was centralized in king's hand. Now they transferred that power to the body of citizen, means that they change monarchical government to democratic government. Next one, various practices adopted to develop a sense of collective identity among people. They took some ideals by that they can able to get collective identity, means like flags, different national symbols, different national ideals. These are the means they made tricolor flag for uniformity, for collective identity. Next one, declaration of mission to liberate Europe from despotism, means they try to free all citizens, all European citizens from despotism. Next one, setting up of Jacobin clubs. You all aware about that? You know about the Jacobin club. It mainly established by Maximilian Robespierre, and he tried to, first of all, he tried to do all work for the welfare of the common people, but afterwards it only be he converted into a terror among the people. And mainly who were the member of that Jacobin club? Mostly that educated middle classes and students of Europe, because you know educated people they have creative ideas, and few also students also they have so many innovative ideas, so that kind of educated and middle classes and students only be the member of that Jacobin club. Next one question maybe come, means it definitely be come in your mind, that how nationalism emerged in Europe, means that nationalism how we spread it out all over Europe. But actually do you know that nationalism it only be idea that mainly come from our internal mind. Fine. But in France what happened there? France only we spreaded all kind of nationalism idea among the European people all over the world. All people they only adopted all nationalism means national ideals from the France only. Next, What led to the emergence of feelings of nationalism? During the 19th century, what happened there? Feelings of nationalism emerged and brought tremendous changes in Europe, not only in the social field or political field, or in every field, cultural, economical, social, political, in every field. That time people, they tried to change everything that was previously was there in Europe. Fine, they tried to replace all countries as a nation state. This kind of idea of modern state, where a clearly defined territory controlled by a centralized power, means there only be everything only be controlled by a centralized power, means all should be united there. Fine, and there who were the ruler? Both people and the rulers, both they will combine. They only be take all kind of decision, and government only be do all work on behalf of the common people. And they also be tried to develop a sense of common identity and shared history. That sense of commonness was forged through struggles, through common people. Means that kind of changes mainly people brought by a big struggle, by a long struggle, and also by they influenced by their past histories, and they tried to set up a common identities, fine, among the people.